Hi friends, I myself Anish Dave, and today we are going to take fifth chapter of 8th standard. This is the fifth chapter of 8th standard of Maharashtra State Board, and we are going to solve exercise 5.3, that is practice exercise number 5.3. Now this 5.3 exercise is based on this formula a minus b the whole cube. So first we will learn how to derive this formula. So let us see how to derive this formula so that we are going to use in the exercise. Now a minus b the whole cube can be written as a minus b, a minus b, a minus b. So it is cube here, so we are writing 3 times. So we are expanded 3 times. After this, we will write here a minus b, and this can be written as a minus b the whole square because it is 2 times, so we are writing a minus b the whole square. After this, we are going to expand this part a minus b the whole square, and we know this formula a minus b the whole square is what? Come on, recap. Yes, it is what? A square minus 2ab plus b square. Correct? Recollected this formula? Okay. After this, we will expand this. Means we will multiply this a by this bracket. A into a square minus 2ab plus b square. This we multiply by this, and then we will multiply this minus b by this formula or this bracket. So we expanded. So a into this bracket and then minus b into this bracket. Is it clear? Okay. So after this, now a into a square is a cube. So this is 1 and 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. Correct? Minus a into this will become 2a square b. A into a square. Plus a into b square, ab square. After this, minus a square b, minus into minus will be plus, then b into this will be 2ab square, where b into b is b square, and then minus into plus is minus b into b square, b cube. Yes, understood this much. After this, we are going to take a like terms together, a cube. Now we are going to take a minus 2a square b. Now let us see where is minus a square b. Here it is. So we will write here a square b plus 2ab square plus ab square minus b cube. So all like terms are together. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. But before this, again check a square b, ab square, ab square. All the like terms are together. Yes, fine. Now let us solve this further part. A cube. Now minus 2a square b minus a square b is what? Minus 3a square b. Correct? So this is all. After this, 2ab square plus ab square is how much? Plus 3ab square. Clear? Minus b cube. So therefore we got a minus b the whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So this formula we are going to use in our exercise 5.3. Now if you see how to remember this formula, it is plus, minus, plus, minus. So when you start with minus, it will come plus, minus, plus, minus. This way you have to remember this formula. Okay, then we are going to see now exercise 5.3. Okay, so we have seen that formula a minus b the whole cube. Based on this, now we are going to solve this practice exercise number 5.3. This first expand. Now, this sum is there, it is a minus sign. So we are going to use the formula of a minus b the whole cube. A minus b the whole cube is what? Come on. Yes, a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Yes, correct? Okay, so we are going to use this formula. Now, what is our a? So we can write here a is our 2m and our b is 5. Don't take minus 5 because this formula take care of your sign. So you have to take the number as it is, positive, because this formula take care of your sign, because this formula itself is in a minus form. So don't take the negative number. Take all positive. Automatically this formula take care of your answer. So now let us substitute here in this expansion form. Instead of a you will write 2m the whole cube minus 3 into, instead of a what will write? 2m. So we are substituting the values. Instead of b what will write? 5. Getting? Plus 3. A what will write? 2m. B what will write? 5 square minus b cube. B cube means what will write? 5 cube. So we are substituted here, instead of a we are writing 2m and instead of b we are writing 5 everywhere. Now let us solve this. 2 cube is what? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. And then m cube is m cube minus 3 2s are 6, 6 5s are 30 m plus, now I forgot to put a square here, so let us do the squaring. Just a moment. 3 into 2 square is 4, because square is there in a formula. I not written here. 2 square is 4, m square is m square into 5 plus 3 2s are 6m into 5 square is 25 minus 5 cube. 5 5s are 25, 25 into 5, 125. Okay, fine. Now, let us simplify further. 8m cube minus 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60, 60m square plus 6 into 25. Yes, 6 into 25. Think. It would be what? 150 m minus 125. So that's our final answer now. Writing the final answer here. 2m minus 5 the whole cube is equal to 8m cube minus 60m square plus 150m minus 125. So this is the answer. Please write the final answer in your paper also, because this gives you the marks. Here marks are there, and try to write this formula also, and write this way also. Here m a is this, b is this value, so that when you are substituting the value you will get exactly how to do it and how to substitute it and how to do the calculation. So please follow this way. Okay. After this, now we are going to go with the second sum. Now students, this is the second sum of the same exercise. 4 minus b the whole cube. Now since the minus is there, you are going to use again this formula of minus. So formula is already written. A minus b the whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Same method, same way. Here a value is 4 and our b value is p. Now let us substitute. 4 minus p the whole cube is equal to, now instead of a we will write 4 cube minus 3, instead of a we will write 4 square, instead of b we will write p plus 3 into, instead of a we will write 4, instead of b we will write p square minus, and instead of b we will write p here. So we are writing this values what we have written here as per this formula.
4 cube, 4 fours are 16, 16 fours are 64, minus 3 into 4 square is 16 into p plus 4 threes are 12, p square, directly you can write, minus p cube. Now here 64 minus 16 into 3, come on, 16 into 3, 16 threes are 48, 48p plus 12p square minus p cube. Okay, at last we are going to write this final answer. Therefore 4 minus p the whole cube is equal to 64 minus 48p plus 12p square minus p cube. So please copy down this sum, what is written on the board. Okay, so now here the third sum, 7x minus 9y the whole cube. Again the minus is there, the same formula you are going to use. Now here our a value is 7x, our b value is 9y. Now let us expand in a similar way how we had done earlier. Now instead of a we will write 7x the whole cube minus 3, instead of a 7x square, and instead of b 9y plus 3, instead of a 7x, instead of b 9y square minus, instead of b what we will write, 9y. So we have substituted the value. So instead of a 7x, instead of a 7x, instead of b 9y, instead of a 7x, instead of b 9y, instead of b 9y. Calculation slide will be there here. Let us do 7 cube. 7 cube is not 7 threes are 21. No. 7 cube means 7 into 7 into 7. 7 sevens are 49 and 49 into 7. 7 nines are 63. 7 fours are 28. 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. So 343 x cube minus 3 into 7 square is 49 x square into 9y plus 7 threes are 21 x into 9 square is 9 nines are 81 y square. Y ka square is y square minus 9 cube. 9 nines are 81, 9 cube is 9 nines are 81 and 81 into 9. 9 ones are 9, 8 nines are 72. So what will be there? 729. After this, again we will solve it. 343 x cube minus, now here let us do here 9 threes are 27. You can multiply all together. You can see here 49 into 3. So 9 threes are 27, 4 threes are 12, 13, 14. Then into 9 again. 7 nines are 63. Okay, 9 fours are 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. 9 ones are 9 plus 4, 13. So final answer is what? 1, 3, 2, 3 x square y plus, now this also we have to multiply. So let us do the multiplication here. 21 into 81. 1 ones are 1, 1, 1, 2 ones are 2, 0, 1 8s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8, 9, 10, 7, 1. So what is there? 1, 7, 0, 1 x y square minus 729. Now final answer now. 7x minus 9y the whole cube is equal to 343 x cube minus 1323 x square y plus 1701 x y square minus 7 to 9 y cube. This is the final answer. Please copy down. Okay, now here is the fourth sum. 58 the whole cube. Now it is not in a binomial form. And we are not going to solve directly like 58 into 58 into 58. No. We have to use a formula. For that reason we have to convert into binomial. But without changing the meaning of the sum. You should not change the meaning of the sum. So here 58 cube. So 58 can be written as 60 minus 2. You have to take this number which is very near to this, that is multiple of 10. So number should be very near to 58 and it should be multiple of 10. So multiple of 10 which is near to 58 is 60. So we will take 60. 60 minus 2 is 58. So anyway we are not changing the meaning of the sum. The meaning of the sum remain as it is. But we get A and B here. So we can use the formula. The formula was what? Can you remember? Yes, the formula was A minus B. So here we will get A cube minus 3A square B plus 3AB square minus B cube plus minus plus minus. So here A is 60 here in our case and our B is what? 2. So now let us see 58 the whole cube is equal to 58 the whole cube is equal to, we write this as it is, 60 minus 2 the whole cube is equal to, now instead of A we will substitute 60 cube minus 3, instead of A we will write 60 square, instead of B we will write 2, yes, plus 3, instead of A we will write 60, instead of B we will write 2 square minus B cube means 2 cube. So simply we have substituted the value of A, B, that way. Now let us simplify. 60 cube, so in 60 cube don't multiply 60 into 60 into 60, no. 60 cube is there, it means 60, 60, 60, so directly 1, 2, 3, 3 zeros. Directly. 6 6 are 36 and 36 into 6 you can multiply here if you don't know. 6 6 are 36, 6 is 18, 19, 20, 21. So directly we got our answer. So we write here 216,000 minus 30 into 60 square. Don't do 60 into 60 shortcut. 60 square means 20 will come, same like that way. This way 60 into 60. So 2 zeros are ready. 6 6 are 36. So what will get here? 36 into 2 plus 3 into 60 into 2 2s are 4 minus 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Many students do 3 2s are 6. No, 2 cube means 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. That way you have to do. Now after this 216,000 minus, we have to multiply everything. So first one in advance we are writing 0 here. In advance. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. 36 into 6. 6 6 are 36. 6 3s are 18. 19, 20, 21. So what will get? 21600. Plus. What is remain now? This part. 0 in advance. Okay. 4 3s are 12 into 6. 12 6 are 72. So what will get? 72. Minus 8. So you have to follow some shortcuts here. 4 3s are 12 and 12 into 6 that way. After this, now let us subtract it and find the answer here. Now here, okay, So 216,000 3 zeros minus 216,000 00 216. Write the digits properly, please. 0 0 10 5 10 minus 6 4 4. Here 1 12 minus 11 minus 2. Yes, 9. Okay. So here 9 is there. So here what we will write? 194,400 plus, you can subtract this, 720 minus 8, 10 1. So 7 1, 10 minus 8 2. So what we will get here? 712, sign of the bigger number. Now we shall add this 194,400 712 21 7 8 9 10 11 5. So what is the answer? 195,112. Let us write the final answer. 58 the whole cube is equal to 195,112. So this formula made our sum easy. Please copy it down. Fifth sum, 198 the whole cube. This can be written as 198 the whole cube is equal to 200 minus 2, because we have to form in a binomial form. So this is formed in binomial form, because 200 minus 2 will give you 198, because 200 minus 2 is 198 itself. So this is in which form? A minus b the whole cube. So we are using that formula here again. So now here A will be our 200, our B will be 2. Let us substitute the value. So here 198 the whole cube is equal to 200 minus 2 the whole cube. So instead of A we will write 200 whole cube minus 3 200 whole square. Instead of B we will write 2 plus 3 into what? 200. B square means what we will write? 2 square. Are you getting everybody? Now instead of B what we will write here again? 2 cube. Let us open the bracket. 200 cube. 200 cube means what? 200 into 200 into 200. Write down how many zeros are there. 2, 4, 6, 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So directly we got the answer. This way you have to solve in exam also. So now what you will get? Let us put the comma. 80 lakhs. Wow, 80 lakhs we got. Minus 3 into, what is 200 square? Same way, 200 square is how much? 2 2s are 4 and how many zeros? 4 zeros, because square is there. Into 2 plus 3 2s are 6 into 2 2s are 4. 2 cube is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So we got 80 lakhs minus 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 0 0 0 0 plus 6 4s are 24 minus 8. Now we'll subtract this. How many? It is there. Let us see the 2,40,000. So 2,40,000 we are subtracting here. 0 0 0. Here 0. 10 9 7. 10 minus 4 6. 9 minus 2 7. So what we got? We got 77,000. 77 lakhs 60,000. Here plus, if you subtract it, 2400 minus 8, 10 9 3. So you get 2, 3, 9. 10 minus 8, 2. So we are adding 2, 3, 9, 2. Now here, let us add this way. 2, 3, 9, 2. 2, 3, 9, 2. So you get 7, 7, 6, 2, 3, 9, 2. So we got 7, 7, 6, 2, 3, 9, 2. So therefore our final answer 198, the whole cube is equal to 7, 7, 6, 2, 3, 9, 2. Clear? You can put the comma also. So 77 lakhs 62,392. Clear everybody? Please copy down this sum. 6 sum 2p minus 1 upon 2p the whole cube. Now here also it is in this format. This formula we are going to use again the same formula. Now let us assign the values for a and b. So here let us write here a is equal to 2p and what will be the b? Guess. B will be what? Yes, minus 1 upon 2p. B is equal to 1 upon 2p. Let us solve. 2p minus 1 upon 2p the whole cube is equal to, please be very careful when you are solving the sum because it is in fraction. Be very careful by assigning the values. So here instead of a we will write 2p the whole cube minus 3. Instead of a what we will write 2p the whole square. Instead of b what we will write, be very careful, 1 upon 2p. Yes, are you getting? So we have substituted the value instead of b here. Again plus 3. Instead of a what we will write here 2p. Instead of b what we will write here 1 upon 2p. And here square. Minus b cube means 1 upon 2p the whole cube. Remember whole cube. Many students they write cube only on 1. No, it is the whole cube. The whole fraction is in cube. Remember. After this 2 cube will be what? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 8. P cube is what? P cube. Minus 2 into, let us solve this, 2 square is 4. P square is P square into this as it is. Are you getting everybody till here? Plus 3 2s are 6p into 1 square is 1. 2 square is 4. P square is P square. So we are solving each and every part. Plus minus 1 cube is how much? 1. 2 cube is 8. P cube is P cube. Here also many students they don't write P cube, so we get the whole sum wrong. Remember 2 cube also you have to do P cube also. Everything 1 cube also. 1 cube is 1. 1 into 1 into 1 will give you 1. Now let us solve further. Now here if you see here, this will get cancelled. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Yes. And here this p will get cancelled. 1 p will be there in balance. Similarly here 1 p will get cancelled and here. So 1 p is there. This also 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Yes, clear? Now let us write 8p cube minus 3 2s are 6 and this p is there. And denominator everything got cancelled here, so no problem. Plus this will write as 3 upon 2p. You have to write here 2p. Don't write p up, everything will go wrong. Minus 1 upon 8p cube. Clear? If you are able to simplify further, you can do any cancellation. No, you can't cut this way anything. Your plus, minus and minus is there. So this would be our final answer. So therefore 2p minus 1 upon 2p the whole cube is equal to 8 p cube minus 6p plus 3 upon 2p minus 1 upon 8p cube. Yes, clear everybody? Please note down this sum in your book. Okay, now here 7th sum. 1 minus 1 upon a the whole cube. Again the same formula here. Now let us assign the value. Our a value will be 1. Our b value will be 1 upon a. I told you don't take minus because this formula will take care of your minus sign. So take as it is without negative sign. Now let us substitute as per the formula 1 minus 1 upon a the whole cube is equal to. Now come on. Tell me what is a? A will be what? 1. 1 cube minus 3. Again a will be what? 1. What will be our b now? 1 upon a. We are going as per this formula. Plus 3 into a. What will be our a? 1. What will be our b? 1 upon a. Minus what will be our b here again? 1 upon a the whole cube. Please put for the whole bracket. Don't put bracket only for 1 or for a. The whole bracket will come there. After this, 1 cube is 1 minus 1 square is 1. 1 square is 1 and 3 into 1 is 3 into 1 upon a plus 3 into 1 is 3. 3 into 1 is again 3. So what will come? 3 upon a. After this minus 1 cube is 1. What is a cube? A cube is a cube. Yes, correct. After this anything get cancelled? No. So 1 minus 3 into 1, 3 upon a plus 3 upon a minus 1 upon a cube. If you see here carefully, this minus 3 upon a and plus 3 upon a get cancelled. See carefully. This both, because this is negative, this is positive. Negative positive get cancelled. So what is our answer? 1 minus 1 upon a cube. That will be. Now students, if we have made a mistake here, we have not put the square here. So you can also make the same mistake in exam. What I made here. So our answer is wrong now because we have not put the square here. Now let us check. 3 ones are 3. 1 square is 1. So you will get here 3. And a square is a square. Are you getting? A square is a square. So here also we change. It will not get cancelled. This will give you 3 upon a plus 3a square. So it will not cancel because they are not alike terms now. They are not alike terms. So we will keep as it is. So we will get 1 minus 3 upon a plus 3 upon a square minus 1 upon a cube. Let us note down the final answer here as a last statement of this sum. So this is our final answer. So in exam also please see that you put the square. Don't do the mistake what we have done here. So this way we get a correct answer. Now please you note it down this sum. Now second sum, second part simplified. First sum here. Now you are going to study everything, all the formula, the two formulas, a plus b the whole cube, that formula, and a minus b the whole cube. Both formula application will be there here. So this is called a complex sum. Now here this is a plus b the whole cube and this is a minus b the whole cube. We'll solve one by one and then we'll club together. Now first of all we solve this part. No need of writing formula. You can't write formula because this is simplified. The more complex part. So we are writing this as it is. Now we are using the formula a plus b the whole cube. So what it is? A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Let us substitute. A cube means this is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3a. Our a is 2a. B square, our b is b only, plus b cube. So here our b is b cube. So we are replacing the values. You have to recitate the formula in your mind and you have to write the values here. So 2 cube is 8, a cube plus 3 as it is, 2 2s are 4, a square is a square into b plus 3 2s are 6a, b square is b plus b cube. Is it clear this much? Okay, now let us simplify further. This part as it is, this we are written on the right, our left hand side. 8a cube plus 4 3s are 12 a square b plus 6ab square plus b cube. So this is our value of a, 2a plus b the whole cube. In the same way, let us solve this. 2a minus b whole cube. Here you are going to use which formula? A minus b the whole cube. A minus b the whole cube is what? A cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Let us see now. Now our a is 2a and our b is b. So instead of a we are writing 2a cube means a cube minus 3a square. Our a square means 2a. So a cube minus 3a square b plus 3 into what? A, b square minus b cube. So we are recitating the formula and writing the value. 2 cube is 8a cube minus 3, 2 2s are 4a square into b, 3 2s are 6, a, b square is b minus b. After this we are writing as it is, 4 3s are 12, 12a square b, this as it is and minus b cube. So we got the value here. This therefore this value and this value. Very important. Now we are copying down the question here. Now we got this. This value we already got here. See here. This we have copied here. So in this value, the value of this part we are copying here. From where up? This whole part we are copied here. Then minus sign and the value of this is this. You can see here. 8a cube minus 12a square b plus 6a ab square minus b cube. Put minus here. Why? Because there is a minus here. So put minus, don't forget. And put the bracket. Why? Because when you open the bracket, all the sign will change. That's why. So we are writing this part as it is. This first part. No sign will be changed. But when you go for the next part, the sign will change. Minus 8a cube minus into minus plus minus into plus minus minus into minus plus. So that's why we are putting bracket. So we will not forget to change the sign. Otherwise we will forget to change the sign. Now this is a question as it is. Now you see 8a cube minus a cube. 8a cube minus 8a cube will get cancelled. Positive negative. This will become 12a square b plus 12a square b. See like terms. They are written below each other. So 12a square b plus 12a square b is what? 24a square b. Plus 6ab square minus 6ab square get cancelled. So that becomes 0 again. And b cube plus b cube is what? 2b cube. Clear everybody? So whatever things are get cancelled, so we cancel it. And which are added, we are written here. Clear? Copy down this one.
Start.
Okay students, so this is now second sum. It is written on the board. 3r, this is r. 3r minus 2k the whole cube plus 3r plus 2k the whole cube. Again the same way. First we will use minus formula, a minus b the whole cube, and then we are going to use a plus b the whole cube formula. So part by part we are simplifying here. A minus b the whole cube here. So this is our a. 3r is our a. and our b is 2k. Okay, so a cube means 3r, the whole cube, minus 3a square b. Instead of a, we are writing here 3r, the whole square, into 2k. So minus 3a square b plus 3 into a b square. So we are substituting the value here. Minus b cube means 2k, the whole cube. Simplify it. 3 cube is 27, r cube minus 3. 3 square is 9, r square into 2k. 3 3s are 9r. 2 square is 4, k square minus 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, k cube. Please don't do 3 2s are 6, it is 2 cube. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Similarly here, this we are written a final answer. 9 3s are 27, 27 into 2, 54. 9 4s are 36, r k square minus 8 k cube. So this we got about this. Now we take this part. Here which formula we will use? A plus b the whole cube. So this is a plus b the whole cube. So our a is 3r. Our a is 3r and our b is 2k. So here we are substituting the value a cube plus 3 a square b. Our a square means 3r into b means 2k plus 3 into a into b square. B square means 2k, a means 3r plus b cube. B cube means 2k the whole cube. So just substituting the values. Now 3 cube means 27 r cube. 3 9 square means 3 square means 9 r square into 2k. 3 3s are 9. 2 square is 4, k square plus 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 k cube. Now this as it is, 9 3s are 27 into 2, 54 r square k. Here 9 4s are 36 r k square plus 8 k cube. After this, now we have written this question here. Now we already have the value. 3r minus 2k cube value is this we got from here. You can see here. Plus 3r plus 2k the whole cube. This value is here. So we written here. But we are written in this sum, we are written this also in bracket and this also in bracket. In previous sum, we have not put the bracket, but if you put it, will be better for you. It depends on you. But in second, you have to put the bracket. In second part, you have to put the bracket because the sign might change and might not be changed. If the minus is there, the sign will change. If the minus is not there, plus is there, the sign will not change. But you keep the bracket every time and then open the bracket so that there will be no mistake at all. So here we have written this part as it is, and here plus is there, so no sign change. The sign are coming as it is. Yes, the step is increased. The same step is coming down, but because of the plus, the sign is not. But if the minus is there like a previous sum, the sign would have changed. So take care of that. Now here, what will get cancelled? This will get cancelled. This minus 54 and plus 54. Minus 8 cube plus 8 cube will get cancelled. Now this you add like terms. 27 r cube, 27 r cube is 54 r cube. 36 r k square, 36 r k square is what? 27 r k square. Is it clear this sum? Please note down in your book. Now let us see the third sum. 4a minus 3 the whole cube minus 4a plus 3 the whole cube. Same type, same pattern. Similarly, you have to solve that way what we had done in the previous second sum and first sum. Now 4a minus 3 the whole cube. You will use the formula of again a minus b the whole cube. Come on, let us recap. A minus b the whole cube is what? A cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Is it clear, everybody? Okay, fine. Now here instead of a we will write 4a cube minus 3a square. Instead of a square we will write 4a the square into b plus 3 into a. A is 4a and here b square means 3 square minus 3 cube. Same way what we had done earlier. 4 cube is 64a cube. 4 square is 16a square and 3 here. 4 3s are 12. 3 3s are 9. 3 cube is 24. 7. Let us simplify further. 3 into 16 into 3 is 144 a square plus this you multiply, you will get 108a minus 27. So we will note this step because we are going to use later on. Now let us solve this part. Okay, 4a plus 3 the whole cube. Which formula? A plus b the whole cube. A plus b the whole cube is what? A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So our a is 4a and our b is 3. So let us substitute 4a cube plus means a cube plus 3a square b. Our a is 4a square b 3. 4 into a is 4a into b square means 3 square plus 3 cube means this. After this 4 cube is 64a cube plus 3 4 square is 16a square and 3. 4 3s are 12a, 3 3s are 9 and this cube is 27. Now let us multiply this as it is. We multiply this here. So 16 into 3 into 3, 144 a square, same. See, answers are coming same if you see here. See, all answers are same. Only the sign changes. Remember, in all the sum this happens. Same part will come here, but you should be careful about this sign. Remember this sign. Sign should be taken care of in the second part. So we'll just mark it as therefore 4a plus 3 the whole cube is this. Okay. Now we have written this question here. Yes. Now this value we already have from this above statement. We have copied this minus this also we got the value here. So we copy down here. But in bracket, if you want, you can put the bracket here also. But that will not make any sense because it is not going to change the sign. So we open this bracket as it is. But when you open this bracket, the sign will change. Minus 64a cube plus into minus minus plus into minus into plus minus minus into plus minus. All sign change. Now all the like terms are automatically together below each other. This happens. This will happen in this type of sum. Now 64a cube minus 64a cube will get cancelled. And what else? This one 8 plus 108a minus 108a get cancelled. So what will be there? Minus 144a square minus 144a square is what? Minus 288a square. When two minus are there, you have to add. Is it clear? You have to add and put minus sign. Here also two minus are there. You will add and put the minus sign. So you got 54. So this would be the final answer. Is it clear? Make note of it.
Start.
Now 5.3 simplify second fourth sum. Now this would be our last sum of this exercise. The sum has been written here. 5x minus 7y the whole cube plus 5x plus 7y the whole cube. Same method. We are solving this part first. This is in the form of what again? A minus b the whole cube. Again recitate the formula. A minus b the whole cube is what? A cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So our a is 5x and our b is 7y. So b cube means 5 cube minus 3 into 5x square into 7. So this is our a square and this is our b. Plus 3 into a into b square. So our b is 7y. Minus 7y square means b square. Here the mistake is there. Here it will come cube. So this will give you.
Cut.
Now here 7y cube is 343y cube. So we have simplified here. This as it is. This we multiply 3 into 25 into 7 is 525. X square y plus 50 into 49 is 735 x y square minus this we copied as it is. Now let us solve this part. This is a plus b the whole cube is what? A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So in this case our a is 5x and our b is 7y. So here we are writing value a cube means 5x the whole cube plus 3 into a square means 5x the whole square. Please put the whole square, don't put square only on x, put the whole square, remember. 7y plus 3 into a into b square. A our 5x and b is our 7y the whole square plus b cube. Is it clear? Now same way we are simplifying this bracket, same way. So 5 5s are 25, you see the brackets are same here. Numbers are also same here. 5 3s are 15, 7 7s are 49 and this is 7y cube is what? 343y cube. Now this copied as it is, we multiply this 3 into 25 into 7 is 525 y is x square y. This we multiplied, we got this product and this as it is. Now this question we had copied down here is equal to. Now value of this we got from here, so we copied here plus value of this we already got here, so we had copied this here. Is it clear? So we have copied a value from the above part. Now open the bracket, but the sign are not going to change if you see, because the minus is not there, plus is there. Plus is there, the sign will not change. But the first bracket the sign is not changing. Second bracket will be also as it is, you will copy down. Now check what is getting cancelled. You will see here this is plus, so it become 250x cube. This will get cancelled. Minus 525 minus plus 525. Both like term x square y. This get cancelled. In this case also this will be added because both plus, so we got 1470 x y square. This will again get cancelled, minus and plus. So this way we got this our final answer, and writing this way the final answer. Is it clear? Please note it. So students, we completed 5.3 exercise here. If you like our video, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and also press a bell icon for further upcoming videos. Thank you.